We are at the Hampton Inn in New Smyrna Beach, just checking in. We got a king bedroom with sleeper sofa. And it's got one of those where you have to put the card in, otherwise the lights go off after a certain amount of time. Bathroom, single sink. Looks like a hairdryer down below. A few little things here. Standard shower and bathtub. Place for towels. Yeah, the mirror opens up. Your luggage rack, your ironing board. Looks like extra, maybe pillow and blanket. So we've got plug on the lamp. Got a plug right there, okay. What do we got on the other side of the bed? Looks like the same scenario, maybe. All the plugs down there look like they're being used, but there's the plug on the lamp.
And a Hamilton Beach. There's a plug here too. And it does have a couple USBs.
Okay.
3 plugs and 2 USB. Kind of hidden behind the coffee stuff.
Right.
And at check-in, he did give us a list of restaurants too, which I thought was nice.
Right. And that's the little sleeper sofa. Downsides, no balcony, of course. No mini fridge, which is seemingly almost unheard of, almost.
And no safe, if that's important.
And no safe as well. I don't know if the no fridge is a Hampton thing. I can't imagine that it is. But other than that, looks pretty nice. And we know we like the location here.
Very clean, and it's on Flagler Avenue.
Yep, on Flagler Avenue, right by Third Wave Restaurant, which is one of the best restaurants in town. So this is the room.